What's up, you guys? So on today's video, we're gonna gut the whole thing out, meaning we're just gonna take all the plastics out, carpet out, the spare tire, all that stuff is coming out. On the next video, we're gonna get the Sawzall and cut everything off. This is all I'm gonna be using, just a flathead. I got almost everything out, and it honestly took like 5 minutes, but there's a lot of room back here and a lot of bolts. Well, I'm gonna start doing it inside. Also forgot to mention, you're gonna want to disconnect your battery. This probably should have been the first thing I did, because you're gonna be messing with airbags, so you gotta disconnect the battery. All right, update. So I went ahead and just took the rest of the plastics off here, and I have more 10 millimeters now, which is a good thing because I don't have any. Oh, what's holding it now? All right, got it out, and there's like a little carpet inside, and you just gotta take that carpet out, and then there's a little plastic box, I guess you could call it, and you just lift it and then the whole thing comes out. But I'm more excited about all these 10 millimeter bolts that I'm gonna have. Everything's coming out. Can't wait until I get the Sawzall and start cutting everything up. All right, well, next thing I'm doing, I'm just taking off all these bolts on the corner. There's also a few more 10s right here, so I'm gonna get that after this. All right, next, take these 10s off, take these 10s off. There's more 10s right here and another one right here. Also gonna be taking this bracket off. There's I think they're 12s and a 14. Same thing on the other side, so I'm gonna do that next. This is trash. Look at everything I've taken out already. I say that's a good, what, 30 pounds maybe just with this, and then the spare tires maybe like another 10-15 pounds. Watch, I'll put the camera on wide, that way you guys can see how much stuff there is. But yep, I'm gonna continue taking off these two brackets on both sides, and then I'll update you guys. Alright, so went ahead, took these off on each corner, and I just looked this up, and it's part of the radio, so don't need this. This could come right off. Alright, well, I ended up getting it off, but this section is part of the antenna, so I'm gonna just go ahead and leave that there. There's a bunch of wires just running through here. Turns out it was all this because I guess they had a whole system in the back, but just went ahead, cut that off. Also, I looked this up, this little relay right here. It said it was for your turn signals, fans, AC compressor, so I'm gonna leave that plugged in when I do take all this out. So I don't know if it's right or maybe I'm wrong, but yeah, just leave it alone. Right now I'm gonna just go ahead and take off more 10s. I'm gonna just go ahead and take off the speakers now, which they don't even work. And then we'll see where we'll go from there. Well, just took the speakers out, and these are the wires that were connected to it, which run along on this, just on the back. Get it all out. Alright, there we go. All this is for your speakers, so all this I'm gonna just go ahead and cut it off. There we go. Don't need any of this no more, so this is trash. I ended up getting all the bolts off with just a ratchet, so this piece should be coming right off. That's trash, and I don't know where this goes to, but I'm gonna just cut it as far as I can for now. That's where the speaker went. Alright, this comes out as well. And there we go. You know what, you guys? I'm gonna take the seats out. I'm gonna take the carpet out. I'm gonna take all this out. I'm gonna take it all out. I think the only thing I'm gonna leave in here is just the door panels, dash, and the sunroof. I mean the headliner. That's the only thing that's gonna stay. And then the next video, I'm gonna cut everything out. So I'm gonna put you guys on a time lapse while I take all this off. What the fuck? Trash. But I got it. Got a brake pad holding the door. See where else is it bolted onto. Well, you guys, I think I found it. There's a fucking penny in here, and I think there's a screw in here. Well, I got it off now. Got this module for the airbags coming off now. Alright, there's one left. There we go. Trash. Why is there just a mix of 10s and 12s? Why can't you just leave them as one size? Oh my god, another 10. Alright, well, this is off. I guess all I could do now is just pull the carpet off. Alright, well, I got this section of the carpet out. I can finally cut this out. This is just part of the seat. And I'm gonna just go ahead and do the other side now. Now this is gonna look fun to take off, but I'm gonna just put a lot of dry ice. What the fuck is this? Damn. Well, this section's ready to come out. But look how much wiring they had under here. All this, oh, just a bunch of wiring they had for the system. Just gonna cut all that off and we're good. We'll just start cleaning up and then we'll see where we go from there. Alright, well, took everything out and I'm gonna just see if it still turns on and doesn't misfire or anything, because I want to cut these wires out. Ignore my dogs in the background, but I want to cut all this off that goes under the seats, and it goes all to this main harness right here. I'm just sitting in the damn ground. Alright, well, everything seems fine. And this happened last time. I disconnect this and the whole AC blower and stuff turns on. I don't know why, but I'm gonna just connect it back. But once I take the dash out, I'm gonna take all that off, so technically it wouldn't be turning on later on. But for now, I'm gonna just connect it back and it won't turn on anymore. But rev's fine. So we're good. I'm gonna just cut those wires off and turn it on again and see what happens. But I'm gonna disconnect the battery before I cut them. Alright, well, just chop them off. So now I'm not gonna leave all these wires exposed. I'm actually gonna open all this tape up and then just wire each one by one with electrical tape. That way none of them do contact with another wire. So this is gonna take a while, but once I'm done, I'll pick up the camera and show you guys what I did. But for now, I'm gonna take off all this tape off. Alright, so I got all the tape off. Now what I'm gonna do is just tape this whole wire up, and then I'm gonna grab another one and then put these two up together, and then grab another one, tape these three together, and then just keep doing that. That way each wire is taped up, and I don't have to worry about power going to another wire and causing a fire or something. I don't know, but I do to all my cars. Never had a problem, so I'm gonna continue doing it like this. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but essentially, let me just get a new piece. Just gonna tape one corner up. That's it. And then I'm gonna just grab another one. And this is all you're gonna do. Got it all taped up, and all I'm gonna do is just try and tuck it in through the other harness. If that doesn't work, then I'm gonna just leave it here, or maybe bolt it down somehow. I don't know, I'll figure it out and I'll let you guys know. Well, I was gonna put a clamp, but this clamp is too small to even close it, so I gotta buy a bigger one, and then I'll just attach it right here. But that's for another day. But for now, I'm gonna just go ahead and take off all these 12. God damn, these are tighter than the other ones. Watch a little trick, you guys. I'm gonna see if it works. You want to tighten it and then loosen it, and then it'll come off. Yep, there we go. I forgot I gotta take these off from the bottom of the car. I don't know if I want to do that right now. Probably should, just to get it over with. Got them all out. Ratchet doesn't really fit in there. Should probably lower it first. Now this should come right off. There we go. It's pretty gutted now. I think the next thing I'm gonna do is just cut that little hose down there, which I'm assuming would go to the rear wiper, which I don't have. Well, I do have it, but it's not connected. But I think that's pretty much it, you guys. I'm gonna just go ahead and clean up, cut that little hose off. But I think that's the end of this video, you guys. So give this video a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.